Hello, maurieo! AutoCAD Basic 18.2 Mechanical Hatching. Hello, welcome. In this instructional video, we're going to take a look at mechanical hatching. So let's get in there and just make a real start on it. Okay, I was just getting ready because of the screen. I had the wrong screen up, so that's what there was a bit of delay. But anyway, here we go. Alright, so wheel section M.dwg. So this is mechanical hatching or hatching for mechanical engineering. So let's open the said plan, wheel section M. So that will be at the end, I suspect. Wheel section M, there it is. And there is wheel section M. Alrighty. Okay, so set the current layer to hatching. It is suggested that all hatching be done in a layer of its own, as it reduces problems. In the Home tab, Draw panel, click Hatch. Home tab, Draw panel, Hatch. There it is there. Okay. To set the pattern, scale is set in the Hatch Creation Contextual tab, Panels property. In the Hatch Creation Contextual tab, Properties panel. Oh, there we go. Hatch type is set to pattern. Yes. Scale is set to 1. Hatch pattern scale, yep, that's set to 1, and the angle is set to 0. Yep. In the pattern panel, verify that the hatch pattern is set to ANS 131. Well, no, it's not. That's ANS 131 there. Okay, in the options panel, select annotative options. Okay. Annotative. Okay, so that's associative annotative. Okay. In the expanded options panel, verify that create separate hatches is not scale. Inherit properties. Create separate hatches. There is not selected, so it's not selected. Okay, in the boundaries panel, click pick points. So this is boundaries. Okay, so we'll go OK there, I guess, and then we'll go pick point here. All right. And select points inside the areas of the section view that display hatching as shown in this figure here. So we've got some not there, we've got some there and some there, like that there, and some here and some here, like that. That's my view of how it is. And hover the cursor over the hatching and note it is a single object. Huh? I think it is, yes. We hover over it, I think we can see. Oh, okay. Press enter to apply the hatching. Okay, and then, right, so I hadn't finished my selection there. You can always tell when you've finished your selection because you come back to the cursor there with the little square in the middle. So yes, that's confirmed there. Okay, now select the hatching and the hatch editor contextual tab comes up. Let's just go back a step there. Oh, okay, so there we go there, and there's our hatch editor contextual tab. Opens, change the scale to 4. This is the scale here, hatch pattern scale, and we want to go change it to 4. You can actually, I'm clicking it up, you can type 4 in there, but you can see the pattern changing as I go up to 4 like that by clicking those there. Okay, and select close hatch editor. Now this is this X that the X in the book that I've always had trouble, so that closes the hatch locating for in the text scenario. Move each of the 2 vertical lines near the center of the part 13. Okay, so those, okay, so we want to move that one there. Let's turn on the object snap, and we want to go 13. Oh, no, that's not what I want to do. I'm going to grab that there, and then I'm going to move it 13. Okay. Okay, so how are they moving that? 13 units closer. Right, now I've got a challenge here. I want to move that, and I want it, that's my base point. Yeah. And I want to go 13. Okay, and this one here, move, that's my base point, and I want to go 13. Yes, which I've done. The hatch pattern automatically adjusts, which we definitely saw that occurring there. While not in a command, so we're not in a command here, but I just push escape just to confirm. While not in a command, select the hatch object. Select the hatch object. Yep. The grip in the hatch editor contextual tab. Yes. Change the background color to cyan as shown in figure 1827. 1827. Okay. Oh. By layer. Oh, this is the background color here. So change that to cyan, which is that color there. Yes, which we've done. Close the hatch editor. Click and close the hatch editor. Oh, set the height. Set the hatch angle value to 15. The angle. So we click in there, 15. Okay, oops, I shouldn't. Oh, yeah, no, that's all right. And set the hatch transparency value to 6. Okay, which we've done as shown. Close the hatch editor. All right. Yes. All right. Okay, so that's just done a few things there like that, just to show how you can hatch and change things. Switch to ISO A3 layout. ISO Well, that was in model. Now we're in ISO A3 layout. It contains viewports that are set to different scales. So that's that viewport 1 there is a 1:4 scale, and viewport 2 there at a 1:2 scale. If annotative was selected in the hatch creation contextual tab, hatching is not displayed in either viewport because the hatch in model space was set to 1:1. Let's just confirm that. Yes, it's 1:1 there, the hatch in model space. So let's go back to ISO A3. Make the bottom viewport active, or it is, you've done. Start the hatch command there, hatch, yes, no hatches, and set the scale to 1. This is the scale here, I think. Yeah, so it is set to 1. 1. Okay, yep. In the expanded properties panel, set relative to paper space. In the expanded properties. Oh yeah. Close hatch creation. Set origin. All right. Start the hatch command. Use the ASA 131. Yeah, that's right, and that's set to 1. In the expanded properties panel, select relative to paper space. And in the options, the annotative is selected. Annotative is selected. Now, where's this relative to paper space? In the expanded properties palette. Let's be here. Relative to paper space. Select that. So is that selected? Yes, it is. Okay, there, right. Select the points and accept the hatch. Select the points. Oh, okay, so there. Oh, we've got a bit of a problem there. Oh, no, we haven't. That sorted itself out, yes. Select the points. No hatch is displayed in the top viewport. With the bottom viewport still active in the status var, note that the scale is 1:2 over here. Yes, correct. Click the top viewport, make it active. Note that the scale is 1:4 down here. Yes, it is. It's locked. Activate the bottom viewport. Select the hatch. Select the hatch. Right click, like so. Right click, and then select properties. Well, the properties are already there. That's because I have them all on all the time. With the hatch still selected, in the properties in the properties palette, in the pattern area, click the button to the right of annotative scale as shown, which is there. Yep, in there, and that comes up in there. In the annotative add, so you add your scale and then you add 1:4, I'm guessing, but we'll check. Select the 1:4. Click OK in both dialog boxes. Click OK in both the dialog boxes. Okay. Okay, I'm going to push enter there for that one. As shown, the hatch displays in the top viewport automatically. Press escape to clear the hatch selection. Well, I've got it displaying there. I didn't know what OK in both was. Didn't seem to get that sort of situation, but anyway, that's all very well and good. Okay, and clear the hatch selection and save and close the drawing. So yes, so this is the automatic there, and you can add different annotative scales in there. So the annotative scale will only show when it has the correct scale. Okay, if you go to model space, here you can see that it's 1:1, so that's all right. But I think that's fine in model space, but you've got to show it in the other one. Anyway, let's go back to here before I get into too much further trouble. So we're just going to save and close the file. So file, save as, that's correct, yes, save, and we'll replace, yes. That gives us just all those double checks, and then we'll close here. Alright, and there you go. We've done some mechanical hatching in a mechanical scenario, and we've found out how to edit hatching and modify and what have you as required. All good. Cheers. See you next time.